everyone, welcome back. This video series is all about how to use a special writing strategy that will help you answer questions about something you have read. You might be wondering why I am using a magnifying glass. I am going to be doing some detective work, looking for some clues, and I'll need your help in just a few minutes. But first, I have a few review questions and I want you to whisper your answer. Do you remember what important letter is on our first poster? Yes, letter R. Do you remember what the R stands for? Restate the question. And do you remember what color the poster is? It's green. And how about the letter on our second poster? If you remember what that letter is, whisper it. Yes, letter A is on that next poster. Do you remember what the A stands for? Answer the question. And how about its color? It's pink. Okay, good. We want to remember the R and the A when we write answers to our questions. Now for some detective work. I had a piece of chocolate candy on my desk, and now it's gone. I need you to help me figure out who ate my chocolate candy, okay? Let's take a look at a few different suspects and see if you can tell. Take a look. Here's the cat, the bunny, the turtle, the dog, and the monkey. Okay. Whisper your answer. Which animal was it that ate my chocolate candy? I agree, it was the dog. And whisper why you think so. Yes, he had chocolate on his face and a candy wrapper in his hand. Okay, listen carefully. What we just did was find evidence. Have you heard that word before? Evidence. Evidence helps to prove that your answer is right. So if we say our answer is the dog, then we have to prove it. We can't just say, oh, it's probably the dog or the cat without having a reason to say that. But we have proof of evidence that it was the dog. He had chocolate on his face and he had the wrapper in his hand. 2 pieces of evidence to show that we are right. Just like a detective has to do. Let's see what this looks like if we write it down. This asks, who ate the teacher's chocolate candy? Whisper how you would first restate the question. Who ate the teacher's chocolate candy? And we would answer, the one who ate the teacher's chocolate candy is, and then we answer it, the dog. Or you could have said, the dog ate the teacher's chocolate candy. Either one is okay. So that is the R and the A. But then the next part, look at what this says. It tells us to prove it. How do we know? What is the evidence? So think back to the animals. What did we see that proves it was the dog? We can write, the dog had chocolate on his face. He also had the wrapper in his hand. Good work, everyone. We were like detectives and showed evidence to prove our answer was correct. But Miss Erin, you might ask, why are we doing this? I am teaching you about finding evidence because when you answer a question after reading a story or some piece of text, you need to restate your question, tell a correct answer, and you also need now to give evidence or proof from the story to show that your answer is right. Okay, let's do that again with another situation, and you help be a detective. I'm going to help my stuffed animal friends act out a situation. You watch, and then we are going to answer a question. Take a look. Oh no! Don't worry, cat. I'll help you clean it up. Thank you so much, monkey. Oh, these books are so heavy. Oh, hey, Turtle. Let me help you carry those heavy books for you. How's that? Oh, much better. Thank you, Monkey. Okay, Think about what you just saw and answer this question. What is a character trait that describes the monkey? So think about what he is like. What is a word that describes him? Whisper at least one idea. If you said he was kind, caring, nice, helpful, or something similar, then you are on the right track. Let's go with the character trait helpful. Let's see what this looks like if we write it down. It asks, what is a character trait that describes the monkey? A character trait that describes the monkey is, and now for the answer, helpful. That is the R and the A. Now we need to give evidence to prove that we are right. Whisper what happened to show that the monkey is helpful. Prove it. Yes, the monkey quickly helped clean up someone's crayons that spilled, and he helped carry some heavy books without even being asked to. That is evidence that proves he is helpful. Good work, detectives. So again, I am teaching you about finding evidence because when you answer a question after reading a story or some piece of text, you not only need to restate your question and tell a correct answer, but you also need to give evidence or proof from the story to show that your answer is right. Okay, everyone, that's all I have for us today. Next time, we're going to add another letter to our R and A posters. I'll see you next time.